What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we'll be drawing Lloyd from Ninjago. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so we're going to start from the very top, work our way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'm going to line up the top. You want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. Just going to bring this in and then back up. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to draw in the eyebrows. So on the left side, we're going to step in, bend this up, and then out. Let's line this up on the right, going up and out. From the inside, I'm just going to curl the brow, coming in and then up towards the top. Let's add a point, angle this down and out. And we'll taper the eyebrows so it gets narrower as you go out towards the side. Now we're going to fill the eyebrows in black. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to move up and draw the edge of the headband. Starting directly above the left eye, we're going to add a curve coming down just above the eyebrows and then bend that back up. Now we're going to create a fold along the side. So on the left, go across and then down, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a fold on the side, round this out, and bend that in. And we'll add a fold, stepping out, go around and in towards the side. Now I want to bring the headband up towards the center point. So on the left side, start by coming in, I'm going to bend that up towards the middle. Let's round up the center, come down and out towards the right. Let's draw the top of the head in behind the headband. So we're going to start on the left, we're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then back down. Now I want to add that opening just around the eyes. So starting on the left side, start by curling this down underneath the eye, up in the middle, round this out, come down underneath the right eye, and then bend that back up. Let's tuck the side of that opening in behind this fold, starting from the top, coming around the eye, and then bending that in. Now from the bottom corner of the headband, start by coming down and out, and we'll bend that in. Let's add another fold, stepping out, coming around, and then in. Going to pull this fold in a little bit closer, and then we'll draw the bottom of the mask, starting back on the left, come down, in. I'm just going to bend that down in the center, go across towards the right, and just tuck that up underneath. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, then the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right side, come down towards the same height, and I'm going to close off the bottom with a curve. Go back to the left side, step up and draw another curve. And then on the top left, we're going to add that armor. Starting from the side of the body, bend this down and in. Draw a small angled line and go straight up underneath the head. And I just want to trace this shape along the inside. Start with the left, coming in and then up. Let's add a strap coming down. Just going to bend this out and down. Draw that twice. Now along the belt, we're going to step out and draw two lines coming down for the buckle. Let's add a strap going up towards the right. Starting down here, bend this out and then up underneath the head. Step over and draw that again. Now let's go back to the center of the body, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and up towards the outside. And then we're going to draw the top of the foot, we're going to curve this up, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting with the left, going out, and then down on top of the feet. Now along the top, we're going to add in the belt, starting with the knot, starting over on the left, bend this around, and then up towards the right. Go back to the center, come down, and then back up. Let's draw on the side of the belt, starting on the left, go out and down. Do the same thing on the right. Angle this down and in. And it's going to pull this back up and in underneath that knot. Let's draw on the side of the belt. I'm just going to curve this down and in towards the side of the knot. Now on the side of the legs, we're going to draw in the knee pads. We're going to start from the top, angle this up and in, go across, angle this down. Now let's line this up on the right, going up, across, and then down. Let's flatten off the inside, aiming this down towards the feet. Add that bevel coming down and out. Go all the way out towards the side of the leg and then up. Now I'm going to add that strap along the inside. Starting on the left, bend this in and up, step down, draw that again. And then we want to trace this knee pad along the inside. Just leaving a thin trim going all the way around. And then in the center, we're going to split this in half. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and then we'll line that up on the right side. Let's round up the wrist, going out and then up. And we'll follow that same curve along the top, going up and then in underneath the head. Now you want to tuck the hands in underneath the wrist. So from the center, we're going to step up. It's going to round this out almost like a circle, coming in, come down towards the bottom, do the same thing, and we're going to leave a gap along the tip of the hand. Let's round up the inside, and it'll trace the hand coming all the way around and then back out. Now with the body complete, we're going to layer those two swords in behind. So let's start at the top of the arm on the left, angle the handle going up and then out. I'm just going to line this up on the right side, going up towards the same height. Let's round up the handle. Angle this back down and in behind the head. Now I want to add some texture across the handle. So from the top, come in, angle this down. It's going to work our way out towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming in, down, and just continue all the way down. Now I'm going to go back up top and go in the opposite direction. Just crossing that line. And we'll draw the bottom of the swords underneath the arm. So we're going to follow this angle all the way over towards the left hip. Angle is down and then out. Follow this angle on the right side, coming down towards the same height. Now you want to bend the end of the sword coming back in towards the side of the leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Lloyd from Ninjago. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.